If you're starting a small business or already running one, you probably know how important it is to understand the numbers behind your business. But knowing you need financial projections and knowing how to build them are two different things. That's why we created the AMA Consulting Group Small Business Financial Plan Workbook. This newly revised edition was designed to make financial planning clearer, more practical, and easier to use. Inside, you'll find guided planning tools, 3-year financial projections, key financial statements, a financial snapshot, and supporting trackers to help you organize the information behind your numbers. Let's take a quick look inside. After the cover, you'll find guidance on how to use the workbook and complete your projections. Each primary worksheet also includes an overview, instructions, planning insights, and questions to help guide you through the process. The revenue forecast helps you project sales over 3 years by product or service using pricing, cost per unit, and projected monthly unit sales. The expense forecast helps you estimate your operating expenses and understand how those costs may change as your business grows. The COGS/cost of sales tracker helps you identify the direct costs behind your products and services so you can better understand what it costs to generate sales. You'll also find a funding and capital tracker to organize owner contributions, loans, investments, grants, and other funding sources. The cash flow forecast helps you see how cash moves through your business, including projected inflows, cost of sales, operating outflows, and ending cash balances. Your projections then come together in the profit and loss forecast, balance sheet forecast, and financial snapshot, giving you a high-level view of profitability, cash position, costs, financial ratios, debt, and owner's equity. Supporting trackers for assets, liabilities, bills, and payroll help you organize the information behind your projections. The goal is simple, not just more numbers, but better financial decisions. Whether you're launching a business, preparing a business plan, seeking financing, or planning for growth, this workbook gives you a practical place to start. The newly revised AMA Consulting Group Small Business Financial Plan Workbook is available now through Ignite Learning. Take the guesswork out of your projections and build a financial plan for the business you're building.